So, what's my number one rule?
So always mix your dry ingredients, then put in your wet ingredients.
Awesome. Okay. So, what are we going to put in first?
So we're going to put in the bread flour.
Okay, why don't you do that?
Okay.
Okay.
And then the all-purpose flour. Put in next. Then we are going to put in the 2 tablespoons of cinnamon sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, sorry.
Yep.
Then we are going to put in yeast. And then the salt.
Okay.
And then the
Well, no. Hey,
mix it, sorry.
what did we just talk about? The number one rule.
Mix your dry ingredients.
Yep, we mix the dry ingredients. Okay, you know we have some warm water there, not cold water, not hot water. Do you know why?
So I think it'll like melt a little bit.
Well, if you do the cold water, then it's not going to activate the yeast. Okay? If you do the hot water,
It'll activate the yeast.
no, it'll kill the yeast. So you need warm water that will activate the yeast without killing it.
Okay.
Okay? So, you've mixed your dry ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do the wet ones now.
The wet ones.
Which happens to be just water this time.
Yeah. Just water.
Okay.
There we go.
So we've got a KitchenAid mixer. So we're going to put that bowl on there and we're going to use the dough hook attachment. If you don't happen to have a mixer, you can do this by hand, but it is a lot of work.
So it's much easier with the mixer.
Yes. So what speed should we put this on?
So you should put it on 2. So
That's
there's a
correct.
setting
Yep.
on here
We
that's-
use 2 for the dough hook. Good.
There's it mixing.
How long do you think it's going to take?
Probably about another minute or 2.
Yeah, I'd say. So probably 2 to 3 minutes total.
Mm-hmm.
If it's too dry, after that 3 minutes, let's say, then you might have to add just a tinge more water to it.
You don't want dry. Don't!
Okay, so our dough is looking pretty good. I'm gonna think it's pretty much done. You want to stop it?
Yep.
Okay, let's lift it up. Okay, you want to pull that all down. A little sticky.
Yep.
Okay, so what do you think our next step should be?
So we're gonna pick up the dough, and we put cooking spray in here before we put the dough inside the bowl,
Why?
so that it doesn't stick to the bowl.
That would be a logical assumption, yes. Okay. But that's good. That's good.
It's really sticky.
If you take that bowl out of there, it might be a little easier to get it out.
Oh, I got it though. I just got it.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Now put it in there and mix it around with the oil a little bit. Okay. And then you want to try and just push it into a little bit of a ball. Okay. Yep. That's all you gotta do is push it into a little bit of a ball. Okay. a dark towel. Okay, and we need to cover it because yeast does not like light.
So that it won't really rise.
Got it. Yeast likes dark and it likes a warm place. So we're going to go find a warm place to put this.
The dough has risen, so let's take a look. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to make a mixture to soak the dough in, to shape it. So, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 cups of water. So, you're going to dump that in. And add the baking soda.
Okay, mix it around. Okay, it needs to all dissolve.
So you cannot see any more white.
You got it. Okay, now we gotta shape the dough. Okay, so now we need to shape the dough. So we're just gonna dig our hands in here and get a decent sized piece.
And you're going to shape it.
Big. And you're not going to pull hard, but you're going to lightly pull on the dough, okay, until it stretches out. Just do it very nice and slowly. You want it pretty even, and you want it pretty long. Pretty good to me. Okay, so now we're going to take the dough and we're going to dip it in the baking soda solution. Okay. Lay it on the tray. This out of the way. And we're going to cross. We're going to cross again. And fold up. And we have shape. You just want to push down on the ends right here so it sticks together.
Make sure that the holes come out because sometimes it all sticks together.
Okay. So why don't you start on the next one? Okay. Now you gotta pull it. Lift up a little higher and twist it and turn it around. There you go. Let me see. Whole thing. A little bit longer.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do the wash on that and do the twist. Again, we're going to do the baking soda in water solution. Okay, that's good. Throw it on the tray. Okay, twist.
Twist again. It's really hard to get the holes.
Okay. Dip. Flip. Dip. And press.
You can do it much better than I can.
Takes practice.
Looking good.
Twist.
Twist again.
Twist.
And
fold up. Okay, and this last little bit here. As good as you can. Okay, oven's at 450 degrees. Are we ready to put them in?
Yep.
Okay.
Pretzels are going to be popped in.
Excellent. Perfect. Okay, no burning.
The pretzels have been in here for 7 minutes. So now we are going to flip them over and put them back in there for 3 minutes.
7 minutes. We're going to pull out the pretzels.
Nope. They are
Okay.
looking good so far.
Okay, let's flip them all over. You should be able to just flip them with your hands this time.
My hands. Okay.
Yep. Good. These are looking pretty good. Okay, let's pop them back in for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes have gone by.
See how our pretzels are doing. Now we are going to butter them and put on cinnamon sugar.
So there's 2 different ways you can do this. First step for both ways though is to take a stick of butter and rub it on there. That's good. And you can either cover it then with cinnamon and sugar or some type of coarse salt. You can use either kosher salt or rock salt. Either one works well, but you have to butter it first so that
It'll stick.
you got it.
Because if you just put the salt or the cinnamon sugar, whatever you choose, without putting the butter, it won't stick and it'll all just fall off. So it's better to put butter. And now we are going to put on some cinnamon sugar.
Yeah, put a little more on. Okay. There's our finished pretzel.
So that is how you make pretzels. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope you did. Goodbye everyone. I'll see you in my next video.